and none other than Dr. Don.
Presidential Initiative on Banana Industrial Development abarukonjera omutindo habitoke omuri Nyaruzinga Bushenyi erizoba batongozo kwiruka okugenderera okucendezo okushinya mu bana bato.
Our chief runner is his president-elect Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Timuhabura. We have a merchandise. In that merchandise we have our vest, our singlet, our kit bag, a water bottle, and a visor. These are running at 35,000, and you can easily register at register.olympictokerun.com.
Reverend Professor Florence Isabiri Omuranga orumukuru wa PBD nagirangu nkambasada w'ebyokurya mu Uganda ekiroto kye no kurebangwa abana bato batunga ebyokurya birungi ebirabahamagara marungi bakakura kurungi.
We are mobilizing a total of 4.47 billion only, for which 2.5 billion go on the legacy of making nutrition available for all sustainably, while the 1.97 billion will be dedicated to the Olympic Day Toke Run for our fun together.
Okurugera Donald Rukare or President wa Uganda Olympics Committee kando wakuru kutongoza okwiruka oku kwizira mu bwiro bu Uganda eri netebekana so kuzo mu mpaka zitari zimwe na zimwe eziri mu mahanga nka Scotland hamwe na Dako mu yanga ya Senegal.
They travel with their chefs, they travel with their cooks, because a lot of our athletes here, and if they were allowed to talk, sometimes they find it very hard to, you travel 16 hours, reach a particular jurisdiction, and the food is different. So having our own products from Uganda is going to help, we believe, these athletes perform both on and off the field of play. So
to raise critical nutritional support for vulnerable populations in the country, particularly children in the weaning phase. When we talk about weaning phase, we mean children who are just coming off breastfeeding.
Rukare hone yashabaye bembezo ba district ya Bushenyi okutamana mbye mizano.
Look at sports nk'emizanyo kuzana. Sports is an $1 trillion industry, and I call upon the district to invest in sports. You won't regret it.
Toke Run ejirimo ebintu byingi because PBD kwatanise na Uganda Olympics Committee okureba ngo habaho kwiruka hazo kwiruka ko kurge mu sente zirayambe ibintu bibiri. Icyo kubanza sente ziyamba abantu abatine byo kurya ninga bari kurya ko barumara nafite. Icya kabiri sente ziyamba abana bitu abariyo mbazo mizano yo kwiruka yo kuguruka yo kuvuga ubwari omurida ka Senegal. Ni cyango munongo itonka district ntwatu bagobamo abo kuba abantu bona barize kwirukanga nzo kuba twatunga esente zaraze umburaro abantu abarije kwirukanga baza kusigaho ekishani kirungi kugira ngo Bushenyi basa kustinga ikintu keki
okuchondoza nukoreka ngo mu Uganda omwana omwe harabashata bari hansi y'emyaka 5 na tegana subukushinya kandi cyanga cya Karamoja nico cyo kutegana subukusingayo abiru cyabarayita bo mukwiruka ko kurabe hebero 20 yo kwezi kwa mukago mwakogu no bakwiruka kilometero 5 abandi biruka kilometero 10 nabandi biruka 24 kandi okwiruka nuko kuhendera cyayi cya Bushenyi ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.